Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to convert a hexadecimal number into decimal number. Very firstly, we need to understand what is the base. So in a decimal number system, there are 10 fundamental units. Hence, the base of decimal number system is 10. While in a hexadecimal number system, there are 16 fundamental units. There are total 16 fundamental units. Hence, the base of hexadecimal number system is 16. Now, you can notice that the numbers ranging from 0 to 9 are represented same in both the number system. The numbers ranging from 0 to 9 are represented same in both the number system, but the number 10 in decimal number system is represented as A in hexadecimal number system, while 11 is represented as B, 12 is represented as C, 13 is represented as D, 14 is represented as E, and 15 is represented as F. The very first thing we need to know is the position weight. Position weight is nothing but the magnitude of each and every position where number is present. This is the hexadecimal integer number where 1 is the least significant bit and 2 is the most significant bit. The position weight where 1 is present is 16 raised to 0. The position weight where 4 is present is 16 raised to 1. The position weight where 9 is present is 16 raised to 2. The position weight where 5 is present is 16 raised to 3. And the position weight where 2 is present is 16 raised to 4. This is the hexadecimal fraction number in which E is the most significant bit and B is the least significant bit. When we want to convert any hexadecimal fraction number into its corresponding decimal number, then we need to divide the particular number with their respective position weights. Hence, in this example, E is divided by 16 raised to 1 plus C divided by 16 raised to 2 plus 1 divided by 16 raised to 3 plus B divided by 16 raised to 4. We can also write it as E into 16 raised to minus 1 plus C into 16 raised to minus 2 plus 1 into 16 raised to minus 3 plus B into 16 raised to minus 4. Let's convert the hexadecimal integer number. So the instruction for converting hexadecimal integer number is to convert the hexadecimal integer into decimal number, multiply each hexadecimal number by their respective position weight in hexadecimal form. Okay, so we will see one problem of hexadecimal integer. So we need to convert 259A1, that is hexadecimal, into a decimal number. So as we have seen, we need to multiply this each number by their corresponding position weights. Therefore, we write 1 into 16 raised to 0 plus A into 16 raised to 1 plus 9 into 16 raised to 2 plus 5 into 16 raised to 3 plus 2 into 16 raised to 4. Now again, I am rewriting all these numbers. But as we know, this hexadecimal A can be written as 10 in decimal number system. That's why we will replace this A by 10. So again, we will multiply, we will calculate these power values, so we get these corresponding values. We'll get these corresponding values. So finally, after adding those numbers, I get this number. So the corresponding decimal number for 259A1 hexadecimal number is 154017. Let's move on to hexadecimal fraction. So the instruction to convert the hexadecimal fraction is To convert the hexadecimal fraction into decimal number, divide each hexadecimal number by their respective position weight in hexadecimal form. Thus, we will see how to convert this hexadecimal fraction number into decimal number. As we have seen in instruction, this is the least significant bit. That's why we will write 6 into 16 raised to minus 3 plus d into 16 raised to minus 2 plus a into 16 raised to minus 1. Again, I am going to replace these hexadecimal numbers by their corresponding decimal number. So, the hexadecimal A is represented as 10 in decimal number. The hexadecimal D is represented as 13 in decimal number. So, after dividing this 10 by 16, we get 0.625. After dividing this 13 by 256, because 16 square is 256, we divide this 13 by 256, I get this value. So again, you will take the cube of 16 and you will divide this 6 by cube of 16. We get this value. The final answer is, the final corresponding decimal number for hexadecimal point AD6 is 0.677244. Now let's take integer and fraction together. So we will find first the integer part. So I will write 1 into 16 raised to 1 plus 3 into 16 raised to 0 plus this 2 is multiplied by now 16 raised to minus 1 because this is the fraction part, plus 7 into 16 raised to plus 7 into 16 raised to minus 2. So after calculating the corresponding numbers we get, so the hexadecimal number 13.27 can be written as 19.15234 in decimal number system. I hope you got the clear idea how to convert the hexadecimal number into a decimal number. Thank you so much.